Okay, yeah, chia munyina mama kwaba sonko kwanso yeah, go straight into the wagon. Na asante Kotoko boko no ene oma for a omo brekum. Entria so no e game ebo. We enya yonkia can see we a pokikra game. Wa obedi nkunim no. Wo kwa kobo the MTN Ghana's chese FA Cup enye fadia grokra na se wotoa so di nkunim toa so ekokose your division one side and no atram division any golden kicks so boy yeah atram division mo de en srepenom ne ade a na se wo ko anim na wakakobo confederation cup no calf ensa esha se but of course me nyina mu no this header must be clear first and sana to me atuja live video footage and I did to jama from Takwa and na Bosso Sports Stadium TNA Parker in fact ababe TNA Sports Stadium Nay, Nina no go kama ewo mu yan reporter Rat gracious Eddie Tim Nechi said your share but none dano say and euphoria no is it here. This is 2.5 hours prior to kick off. And Nasian cancer virtually 3 hours more not kick off atuja. Yan euphoria no say na MSC ko an boa ne adi nyina live from Takwa. Nana ba echa bia bokode.
Boss, Yankopon adom where na so e.
Adom. Wa me live video yegusu aye hwe yehu Kotoko flag no many other hatful mobi na dia ba mo flag nso esen chen ho numa obi nso edi ne niam gu fam te kan ye kofo dwano a na ye yono no nipa ekọ ebi ba saa na tie taxes nso twam se na niam ekọ tofa bom.
Oh, okay. Me na wase na me na ahwefo na ati so ase. Send any edi kan eka se ye be batakwa na Kotoko team no e ba na nsi di akire e be monitor niam ase de be ya bibia nso betimi akoye e wo game a omo ene brekum Chelsea enso e be bo so which is the MTN FA Cup semi-final stage. Stadium I say around 12 o'clock. Maybe at 12 11:45 12 Now we did drew me drew you know we share around the echo inside of the sports stadium and so echo share Nema and also echo so I was saying yeah MTN FA Cup na MTN form team and a dasonent no ba say ya omo brand no e wa say pabo yellow flags no e wa around that omo edi no and so edit them come and so I say the video no and so e twa ya hwefo and so e hwe bi no and no e stadium no echi Takwa na Bosso Sports Stadium TNA Sports Stadium nechi ana ye twa ede ma ya hwefo and so e hu no ba ha say ya Kotoko flags no e dia him e wa say so and I who had to poke flag back and so e woman not just say you had to poke ana e ba be book game but rather from your Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no ana e ba be book.
Yeah.
But no, I mean, because I'm not sure. Takwa mpa back takwa say ya. Nanka is to turn and kawa say, but if you have seen what down was you gonna bopa and so our takwa and name pattern. I mean, no cases is here. Kotoko supporters going to be organized almost say almost so about do her any day, but me no cases is here. No, almost ain't mean free Kumasi. Eme do her say teams tuning na which Kotoko any Brekum Chelsea team no. Omunyina emedu ha say ohwa schedule MTN FA Cup organizers no e dey by na exactly 2 o'clock PM and I was say two teams ni na and so ebedu stadium ha say na bibia and so e kama na ohwa na two secondary schools are e watakwa ene ne mpatem ha say eno e Takwa Senior High School and afia Fiasman Senior High School ohwa stadium no around na and emuma any member and so Abaha almost a stadium on Tiamayana said before said Kotoko and so game no any the Chelsea game never cosono and was said two teams no and I said two schools no and young can see said almost the game and sana crucial game no and so out of fame I was saying over Takwa dia yan can say stadium no ready for the game over say ya say me di kind send you pictures bi no who be can no the Kotoko flags nibi at to honum osha around so Kotoko flags no dear him let say over western region has in so probably Kumasi Asante Kotoko team no team omo dominate and so western region pa about western region almost so wo pa this year unim say Kotoko omo assistant coach o James this year the coach Prince yaw owusu ono wadi kan abe coach Mediama Football Club da enti ama ono no bata kwa say na omo enim ne panti no ama supporters no o fa from because me ba me abotse si form and nanti krom kakra hwe around me say ebi mo omo cars ani mo de Kotoko flags no and so awo boni ma eno kire say they are ready for the game nyankopon ya do bia exactly 3 o'clock di kona aka one am mo de game ni de ebi ha nyina and so ebe ya ma mo nyina be ba no wa be hwe game because of asori ne ntina bia ebi mo nsesi omo ho say omo eba ha but supporters nkakra and so ene na around but empanyinfo omo Kotoko team and supporters companyinfo a omo Kotoko team no de yenya hu mu bia wa say menya hu Kotoko panyin bia so wa say bia IMC chairman bia na say team manager bia na say menya hu bia and so e wa ha say and say supporters chairman for no menya hu mu bia and so e wa ha say ya yedimu live report the free tapa na boso sports stadium and so at the bet over has saying that stadium now you're ready for the MTN Cup semi-final.
All right, great job done, and about Kwame Gracious, our very super fantastic reporter by our standards. Say what to me, Igusua, and a vivid, accurate report. Am I na yet serve better? Am I in a team father for dear to a GH Live Studios? Na bibia to me akoso nti ye jaya ma na what to me am monitor grounds. So na be ya bibia to fema on sabe to me aka.
Okay. Boss, before say we jam di ama mo no. Manya Kotoko fan ba kon e wa ha say aha wo hwe na faso na o say the video bi sendel na obi ejire mu a Kotoko flag no eboni mu na ne chehye no na ne bibia aye red. O jamenje o ha say me person ni no edi nkomo kakra enso e wa ha say.
Mate.
Hello, Bacho, and we have one by the Kotoko. Because if you must never do I'm a pabe 6 o'clock.
Okay.
If you come Mazana, you know, 1 o'clock. You do I'm a pabe 6. But Kotoko is a league in the air. The next show is a bit naji. And a 30-100.
Yeah.
Say a bit naji. And FA Cup on the dream also because we say to 2 and man Africa, but the Jena in the Africa.
Okay.
On the Africa check. Now the conference who say team no air they is so you won't buy say born an up and crack so you born a basso. So what you mean not team man don't you must say what you mama Kotoko. I'm say Kotoko e fan to my flat.
Okay.
Yeah, in Parabon I take team she say and then it mean for you na en kofana. Na en team cup en fan share team from an up and crack. Anyway,
Who free for the bio?
but if you come fantastic.
Who did they say? From Kwabna. Okay, Tibo send your tea na Kwabna of you Masi Santase. Kotoko who don't you know? Also we do her now about 6 o'clock, but so not on ton Yamarina. Aha, on ton Kotoko, flags ne omoche, when we say pulley, yenya pulley, and so the banner so I was here, on also air ton set come bibia, and so with me akoye I was send ye my ACT I was saying no, probably Kumasi Santiago Tino Yamidria, sounds so ena. You could just know any of it. We didn't have ambitious reporting live from Tapa Naboso Sports.
Did you enjoy that? There's so much more, so why not hit subscribe?